on with it.
These were moments when officers faced violent suspects, nearly lost control. It starts with a man who turned a simple traffic stop into a dangerous fight.
What is your problem? You're following me.
You're the one that's going out yelling at me.
On May 25, 2025, a Phoenix officer pulled over a vehicle near 25th Street in Cactus.
Hey, doing whatever.
I wasn't yelling at you. I wasn't yelling at you.
There's a speed limit down Cactus.
I
Do you know
wasn't
what the
going
speed limit
past
is?
it, but I was trying to
Do you
get
know what the
behind
speed
you.
limit is?
The officer asked for his license. The man refused, demanded a supervisor, and kept escalating. Backup was requested.
Dude, you ain't gonna
Yeah, and you go
shit.
around her and then you stop again? What is your problem with
No,
it? You
I did not
obviously want
stop
my
again.
attention.
I did not stop
What do you
again.
need?
I did not stop.
do you need?
Why are you following me, motherfucker?
I am not following you.
Yeah, you fucking are.
Give me your driver's license.
Fuck you.
Give me your driver's license.
You.
Give me your driver's
Fuck
license.
you.
Do you have
Fuck,
any weapons?
what did you pull me over for? What is
For
the
driving
reason?
under the
No,
speed
you
limit.
fucking did.
Yes, I did.
No, you
Yes,
fucking
I
did.
did. Yes,
No,
I
you
did.
fucking
I
did.
already told you.
This is illegal.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No,
You
it
ain't
is not.
giving
Give me your driver's
Get
license.
your fucking superior here right now.
For what?
Get your fucking superior here, you
driver's
fucking funk.
Give me your driver's license.
Back the fuck up.
Give me
Get
your
your
driver's
superior. You get your superior. You get your superior.
For
You.
what?
Because you're fucking pulling me over.
Nope.
Fucking with me for no reason.
No, I already told you.
You're a
Sir, there's no need to yell. I need your driver's license.
No, don't get a superior.
He's
You
on
just
his-
fucking
he's
tracked
on his
me
way.
down.
He's on
Stuck.
his way.
Sat back
He is
there.
on his way.
Did you not just sit back
He is
there?
on his way.
Did you not
Sir.
just fucking sit back there?
Sir,
I don't give a fuck what
I
Ashley
was
has you
doing a
doing.
record strike on your plate. You
Your
can
mother-
relax. I need to see your driver's license,
You.
please. There's a traffic
You
stop.
get your fucking superior. I know
He's
the
on his
fucking
way.
law.
You want him to magically pop up? He is on his way.
You
I
pop-
called
I
for
will get
him.
the fucking
He's on
license
his
when
way.
he
I need your
gets
driver's license.
You
Do you have any weapons in the car?
Not. Oh. Get the away from me. You're fucking illegal as right now, kid, and you know
How?
you are.
How is this illegal?
Tracking me down, stalking me, you little
All your driving behavior?
dick. And everybody knows it.
Just unhappy traffic stop.
What the? You just
on his
passed a
way.
lady going 0 miles an
Sir, I'm
hour.
here to provide your driver's license.
Get your superior.
Okay. You need to identify yourself with a driver's
My name
license.
is fucking Sam fucking Perone.
What is your birthday?
E.
What is your birthday?
What's your birthday?
You don't need my birthday. What is your
You don't
I
need
need to
to know my
identify
shit.
you.
What did you pull me over for?
I
Why did
already
you stop?
told you.
Why did you stop, you little Why did you stop?
Because
Park
I saw
there.
you stop,
Park
you
there.
exited, and you
Then
threw
why
your
didn't you
hands up
stop
at
then?
I was
Why
waiting
didn't
for
you
to
fucking
pass by
stop
so I could
then?
conduct the traffic stop.
You're fucking scared, you little bitch. Why?
Sir, I need your driver's
Go get your superior.
He's on his
Get out of my
Can I have your
face.
driver's license.
Get out of my
insurance,
face.
registration, and your
You
please.
shut up. There it is. There's my fucking no.
That's it.
You ain't
I
handing
don't
me shit. You ain't handing you shit.
Sir, do you have insurance?
I ain't handing you
Do
shit.
you have insurance?
Back the up.
I am not backing up.
Back the fuck up off me.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please?
No, not until you get a superior.
He's on his way.
You ain't doing shit. I want a lawyer
If you
for
want
to
to
say
speed
another
this
thing.
up,
to
I
you.
need to see your insurance.
Shut your mouth.
I need to see.
All right. Get back.
I'm not getting back. I need to see your insurance, please. Are you failing to your insurance?
You're failing to fucking follow the law, sir. This is illegal.
I
What you're
already explained
This
to
is
you.
fucking illegal what you're fucking
Back up.
doing. You back the fuck
Not
up.
backing
You
up.
back the fuck
Back
up. I ain't
up.
backing the fuck
Back
up.
up.
I ain't backing the fuck
Back
up.
up.
You back the grab that.
I am not grabbing it. There's
Yeah,
no
you
need
little
to grab- Back
little
up. Sir.
You!
Back up.
Get off of me.
Not-
Get your fucking hands off
I
me.
need to tell you.
No, you're not gonna arrest me.
Sir, back up. Back up.
You back the up.
Back up.
You back
Dude,
the
back
up.
up.
Your fucking hand
Stop.
off me.
You cannot touch me.
You
Stop.
should not
Back
touch
up.
me.
I told you to back up. Dude, please,
Again?
please stop.
Again?
Please stop walking up on me.
I'm in my damn car.
Back up.
Nice. All right, come on.
Flip it up. We're fighting.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on with it. 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 Come on. fucking real bad. Can you help?
Sir, back up.
Shit. Oh.
The man was treated for non-life-threatening injuries and booked into jail. The officer was hospitalized and later released. On May 1st, 2025, Officer Caleb Hodum was finishing a citation in a parking lot. Out of nowhere, 22-year-old Ocean Hudson approached from behind. He sprayed the officer with pepper spray, then pulled a knife. Blinded and bleeding, Hodum fought.
I promise next time you see me, it'll have it.
Light gray box at the bottom.
Light gray?
Yeah, just down there. Perfect. Not an admission of guilt, just stating that you show up on or before the court date, okay?
I don't have to as long as it's paid.
Stop!
Hey, start me another. Start me another.
Stop! Stop! Nothing left. Just do me a favor, man. I've done my life. Yes! I only ask.
What do you need? Take the knife away from him.
Sir? I only ask.
Say drop it, drop it, drop it. Sir, drop
Can
it.
you do me this favor?
Sir, drop it. Drop it, sir. Sir, drop it. Please drop it. Please, don't hurt anybody. Please, in the name of
Get
God.
on my radio.
Please don't drop anybody. Don't drop it. Sir, drop it. Sir, drop it. Stop.
Shoot me, man. I got nothing to live for. 22?
Yes, you do, buddy. You have everything to live for.
No.
Yes.
I'm supposed to be in prison today. But I ain't doing that.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Stop, dude.
Help him. He's been stabbed. He's been stabbed.
You okay?
Here we go. Here we go.
Hold his arm. Hold his arm.
Yep.
Don't you move. You understand me?
I got him. I got him. Get up. Get up. You need help. You need help, sir.
I got nothing left.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Shoot me.
Yep.
Roll him over.
Got him. Come on. Come on.
Get on your stomach now.
Here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
He's getting that arm from me.
I've been moving more. I've been having
How about the taser? Hold on my arm. You okay, buddy? Hold what you got.
Yep.
Hold what you got.
I got him.
6-1 more units.
Tase it. Nope. Tase him, dude. Tase the out of him.
Get that other arm. Bring that other arm back. Bring that other arm back. Bring it back.
Kill me, man.
Bring it back. I'm gonna tase you again.
Get him.
Okay. Bring that arm back. Do it now. All right. Bring that arm back. Do it now. Hit him.
He was tased, arrested, and faces multiple felony charges. Officer Hodum underwent surgery and is now recovering. On May 28, 2025, officers stopped a vehicle in Mifflin Township. The passenger ran. During the chase, he turned and opened fire, hitting both officers. One remains in critical condition. The other is expected to recover.
got one running. You got him. Yeah, oh, shots fired, shots fired. Officer down, officer down. I'm hit, I'm hit. Ah! Got him. Yeah, oh, shots fired, shots fired.
The suspect, 21-year-old Devontae Dixon, is still at large. He's considered armed and dangerous. On December 10th, 2023, deputies responded to a burglary call in Palm Desert. They detained a man without incident. Then, a woman walked out of a back room holding a knife. Deputies ordered her to drop it. Instead, she threw it at them. A deputy fired, striking her.
911, state your emergency.
Yes, I have one in my house. And he's trying to kill me.
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. What's going on?
There's a man in my house. He's trying to kill me.
Okay, do you know who this person is?
No.
Sheriff's Department!
Riverside County Sheriff's Department, you're inside! Make yourself known! Riverside County Sheriff's Department! If you're inside, make yourself known! And come out with your hands up! And nothing in your hands! Sheriff's Department!
Hey, let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Turn around. Turn around. Face away from me. Come down to your knees. Come down to your knees. Come down to your stomach. Go down to your stomach. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Put your ankles on the ground. Turn your head to the right. Put your arms out to the side like an airplane. Don't move. Go ahead. Go. Oh.
Clear that and I'll keep it on him.
You got him? Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife. Drop the knife.
Subject arm with him. Drop the knife. Drop it.
Okay, we gotta see one more knife. Let me get a little more knife. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Drop the fucking knife.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife. Hey, just step up.
She was treated and charged with assaulting officers with a deadly weapon.